Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery add-on tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Polo widget. Polo is a unique gallery widget for WordPress, featuring a diverse image lineup with a flickering text animation and subtle zoom effect over the background image. For customizations, the first section inside the Content tab holds 3 switches that you can toggle to show or hide the title, text, and meta from the image gallery. You can also modify the dimension of all images used inside the gallery with a single image size option. For link, you can choose media file or custom URL with a lightbox if you need. Next, in the item section, you will discover the existing items on display in a listed format with the additional Add Item button at the bottom. Let's add one more item and see how the gallery reacts to the changes. Now click on an item box to unfold the inner options. The first thing you can do here is to change the item image through the image field. Then change the image title followed by the description text. Once you are done with the first item, you can follow the same procedures to complete the rest. And once you're complete filling up all the items, the gallery will start looking awesome right off the bat. Now we are going to apply modifications to the appearance using the controls inside the Style tab. From the first section here, you can change the color of the title. The other options are padding, margin, background color, etc. Using the controls inside the typography option, you can customize the font style very easily. From the text section, first change the color of the text to something vivid and matching. Then the same way, customize the typography to match the text with the title font style. Next, for the images, you can go ahead with the border style to decorate the images. Let's select a dashed border and add small border width value. Then choose a border color. Then add some border radius to round the corners. Next, for the model window, which is the lightbox view, first let's change the overlay color. You can click on an image to open it in lightbox or model view to see the overlay color effect. Alright, click the back button to revert back into the main gallery. Now pick a color for the model title text inside the title subsection. For the text decoration, you'll find a text stroke option below. Let's adjust the stroke and then go for the typography adjustments to customize the title font. Let's check that out. Perfect. Now switch to the meta subsection and let's change the text color. Then again, go for the typography option. The same goes for the description text too. Lastly, let's make the back button white in color. Then add a box shadow effect on it and change the button size while at it. Now you can minimize the control tray and try out the image gallery yourself. You'll be amazed how much your visitors are going to love this kind of unique image gallery on your website. So feel free to take customizations further into the next level and create awesome galleries with Polo. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.